Hello, Aunty Rose, good evening. Welcome to your first tree lesson. So the first thing I want to teach you is, how is it? In tree, it's sang, it's sang. Notice how the nose is very nasal at the end. It's sang, it's sang. So, how do you say, how is it? It's sang. And the most polite way to respond is to say, by God's grace. God is Nyame, 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 from the nose as well. Nyame, by God's grace. Nyame adom, Nyame adom. That means by God's grace. Nyame adom. So when somebody asks you, how is it? Et is saying, how is it? It's a saying, you respond by Nyame adom, Nyame adom. And then in Ghana, if you want to add more emphasis, you can say Nyame adomo. You add the O, Nyame adomo, Nyame adomo, and it's more emphasized. It doesn't have any more meaning. The meaning is the same, but it's louder. So if somebody asks you that, it's a saying, Nyame adomo, Nyame adomo. Now, if you want to ask them back, and what about you? How are you? What about you? Then you'll say, now won't swear, now won't swear, now won't swear, now won't swear. So how do you say, how is it? It is saying, how do you say, by God's grace? Nyame adomo. And what about you? Now won't swear. Now won't swear. And then they'll also say Nyame adom, by God's grace. Okay. Imagine now you've met the person and now you want to boss them around, tell them what to do. So come here is braha, 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 brah. They often say in tree, brah, brah, braha. That means come here. How do you say come here? Braha. How do you say come here? Braha. Okay, another one. Let's go. Let's go. You say Yɛnkɔ, Yɛnkɔ, Yɛnkɔ. That means let's go. How do you say let's go? Yɛnkɔ. Okay, very good. I'm going to continue with the next video.